So good afternoon once again, all of you. Yesterday we have learned about the quicksort. Yesterday we have learned about the quicksort. So any doubt in that? Have you like re studied that particular slides? Any one of you have any idea? Like any question, anything you want to ask?
सर टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सर क्विक शॉट का बिग ऑफ एनी होगा ना?
नहीं. First of all, let me clear. Let me ask the logic is okay or not? Divyanjali, Garima, Gaurav, Gautam is all you are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Gautam, Gaurav is there, Garima, Divyanjali. So,
Yes,
is there
sir.
any issue in that? Divyanjali, is there any issue? Gaurav,
No, sir.
have you gone through? Have you gone through that slides or not?
Sir, actually, my sir health is not well. That's why sir, don't go through it.
Good. Anyone else who has revised that slides? I have posted the slide and the video yesterday only.
Yes, sir. I have gone through not the slides, but I watched the video for Quicksort. And sir, I have got the concept, but how we are combining these or how we are arranging, sorting the sub list, we can say.
सर
How
एक
we are sorting the
मुझे भी
sub
था
list.
सर एक डाउट मुझे भी था कि हमने प्रायोरिटी की को वो प्रायोरिटी एलिमेंट को उसकी जगह पर फिक्स कर दिया, फिर हम कहाँ से कहाँ से कंपैरिजन करना चालू कर देते, राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट.
I have found one more way to do this quick sort. If you like think so, then I can share that particular way also with you right now.
Yes, sir. That would be
With the
better
help
Sir,
of
because
please.
stack,
the way,
with the help of stack, we can do the same quick sort. Might be it may be more like understandable or maybe शायद easy भी हो आप लोगों के लिए. I thought that. After yesterday's class, I have found that some of the like most of the you have not got that concept. So I have gone through and I have found some another way, that is by using the stack. If you ask, then I can share or I can taught that particular way also using
Yes,
stack.
sir.
Maybe it may be like looking or it may be more easy for you. So let me start with that. Screen is visible. No, I am going to share it. Please let me know whether it is visible or not.
सर योर फेस इज विजिबल बट योर स्क्रीन इज नॉट.
Yes, sir, visible.
So let me start with that particular concept. I am going to take the same example in that case. Say this array I am going to take. It would be better with that. So now this is the array that we need to sort. Okay, let us take a stack. So with the help of that, with the help of stack, we can also do the same thing. Okay, now we will see how we can do it. So we need to take two stack in that case. One is S1 say and one is S2. One is S2. So stacks, what is the property of stack? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, first in, last out.
First and
FIFO,
last out. First and
फर्स्ट इन
last
लास्ट
out.
आउट.
Okay. So two stacks we are taking and we will use this property of the stack. Okay. First in, last out. S1 and S2. Stack 1 will hold the lower bound. Stack 2 will hold the upper bound. So one stack is for holding the lower bound and one stack is holding for the lower bound. Now suppose this is the array for me. So lower bound is, what is lower
5.
bound?
5.
No,
Zero.
lower bound is 0.
Index
Lower
इसके
bound.
according to index is
Address
0.
of lower bound.
Better lower bound is always the lowest index of the array, and
Okay.
upper bound is always the
Higher index of array.
maximum index of the array. Index, we will talk about index. Value at that lower bound means ki 5. Now, if you will say, okay, remember that particular formula of calculating the total number of elements in an array. It will be lower upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
so lower bound is what? Lower bound, upper bound. In this formula, we use these terms for the indexing actually. So in this, like if we will say for this array, the 5 minus 0 plus 1, total 6 elements are there. So that is what the index is. So lower bound is 0 and upper bound is also 0. Okay. So अभी जो कल पढ़ा था वो एकदम आप दिमाग से निकाल देना. We are doing something new. So आप नए सिरे से इसको सुनना. Concept is same. Concept is same. What we are going to do, we are trying to put the 5, that is pivot value, at a particular position, and on the basis of that we are going to divide the array into two parts. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are using stacks in order to hold the lower bound and upper bound of the two different arrays that we are getting. You are getting it. Logic is very much same, bilkul same logic hai. Logic I am not going to change. Okay, but the way I'm going to solve it, it is different. That is only the thing we are going to change. So stack, initially the lower bound and upper bounds are 0 and 5. So what we will push in this, 0 and 5. Is it okay? Initial value of the lower bound and stack 1 and s2 will be 0 and 5. So lower limit we have pushed into the s1 and upper limit we have pushed into the s2. So now this particular limits in the stacks, or the top values of the stacks, we can say, gives us the array which is going to be sorted. Yes or no? You are getting it? I am repeating. So top values of these stacks, both stacks, are giving me the array which needs to be sorted. So I am going to sort the array from 0 to 5 initially. And that is the array that is given to me initially. So 0 से 5 I am going to sort. Okay. Now same. Pivot element remains as it is. So pivot element जो था वो मेरे पास क्या है अभी भी 5 ही है. And उसकी location क्या है 0 है. I am going to take the 5 as a pivot element initially. Okay. Concept is also same. I am going to scan from the right in this way, in this case, and right scanning and left scanning till the same conditions are. Okay. So we are holding this, we are using these two sets for holding the indexes of the arrays that are generated after the we can say division from very start position, and every step I will store these particular locations. Now tell me, the logic is same again. I am saying logic is same. So pivot element is 5. I am going to put that pivot element at its particular position. Okay, I am going to start right scanning. Right scanning means ki I am start scanning or comparison the elements with the pivot element from right. So 4, first of all, I am going to compare with 5. Is 5 is less than 4? Yes. So we need to swap it or not?
Swap it.
We will swap it.
Sir.
Okay. We will swap it. We will swap 5 and 4. So 4 और 5 अपने आप अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करेंगे. So जो एरे बनेगा वो बनेगा मेरे पास 4 2 6 1 3. ओके, इसको याद रखना, हम डायरेक्ट एरे लिखने वाले हैं 4 2 6 1 3. So now we will start scanning from where? Once the value will be swapped, then from where we will scan?
Left.
From left we will going to scan. Okay, so left वापस 4 यहाँ है और 5 यहाँ है. So now 4 needs to be swapped or not? No.
No,
2
sir.
will be swapped or not? No. 6 will be swapped? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
5 and 6 ये swapping हुई यहाँ पर हमारे पास. Okay, then we are starting scanning from right. So
Right.
right. Okay, so 6 needs to be scanned? No. 3 needs to be scanned? Yes.
Yes.
So
We
so
need
it
to
is
swap.
5 and
Swap.
it is 3. Now we are
Swap.
going to start from left again. 4 and 2. 5 and 4 will be scanned, compare, no swapping. 2 will be compared, no swapping. 3, no swapping. 1, no swapping. तो 5 अपनी position पर आ चुका है अब. Okay. So now tell me, that is what we have done yesterday also. 5 is at its position and my array is right now, the array is 4, 2, 3, 1, 5 and 6. Is this okay with you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 is at its location. Okay. Now I have got two different arrays. So tell me the limits of these two arrays. Left array, left sub array, the terms we have used yesterday, and this is right sub array. So tell me the limits of right sub array, left sub array.
0 to 3.
0 to position
0 to
minus
3.
1.
Very good. So actually, it
0 to
suppose
position
it is
minus
location. So it is from
0
lower
to
bound.
location minus 1.
It is lower bound to
-1.
location
-1.
-1, and it is location
Location
Plus
plus 1
1
to
or
upper
upper
bound.
bound.
To upper
plus
bound.
1 to upper
Upper
bound.
bound.
Very good. So now I am going to push, like I have popped these two already, and I have applied some conditions or some like steps over that particular array ranging from 0 to 5, and I have got these two sub arrays, that is lower bound to location -1 and location +1 to lower bound, upper bound. So now tell me in stack what two values we will push in S1. S1 में हम क्या two values push करने वाले हैं? दो लोअर बाउंड कौन से मिले हमें बताइए?
Lower bound and location -1.
No. Yes, I am asking about only in the S1. S1 is holding what? Lower bounds. So how many arrays first of all you have got? Sub arrays you have got?
2.
Two sub arrays
2.
we have got. So now how much values we will push into S1? Right now focus on S1 only.
4. 4.
4 and
Lower
6.
bound and location plus 1.
Very good, very good. So two sub arrays we have got, and for these two sub arrays, correspondingly lower bound values will be pushed into S1. You have got this. So what we will push into this lower bound, and second array का lower bound क्या है यहाँ पर? Location +1.
Location plus 1.
First array का lower bound क्या है यहाँ पर? Lower bound. First array का upper bound क्या है?
Location
1.
-1.
और second array का upper bound क्या है?
Upper bound.
Upper bound. So now tell me the values that we will push into the S1. Lower bound, first array का जो lower bound है,
क्या
that
सर?
is 0.
दोबारा बताना सर, लोअर बाउंड.
First array का lower bound is
0.
0. Index
Zero.
is 0. Second array का lower bound is
लोअर बाउंड है पोजीशन
LOC plus 1.
5.
Location 5. Very good. So we will push 5. In S2, what we will push? Upper bound of the first array is
3.
very good 3. And upper bound of the next array is
5.
5.
5.
5.
So in this way, two sub arrays I have got. One is ranging from 0 to 3. Second one is ranging from 5 to 5. Yes or no? Have you got these two sub arrays or not?
Yes sir. To priority.
When we have placed the pivot element at its position, we have got two sub arrays, one from 0 to location -1, or we can say lower bound to location -1, that is 0 to 3 in this case, and second one is location +1 to upper bound, that is 5 to 5 in this case. Now you see that if location +1 and lower bound are same, sorry, upper bound are same, it means definitely there is a single element, and the value that is at that particular index is 6 right now. And one array we have got that is of 4, 2, 3 and 1. We are not looking for 5 right now. हम 5 को छेड़ेंगे भी नहीं अब, because 5 is already placed at its position. Is it clear to all now till that point? Now I think आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि हमने दो array सब array कैसे identify करे हैं. It is I think pretty much easier than that previous one. Yes or no?
Yes sir, it
So-
is easy.
Sir, can you tell the location in the index allocation in S1 again, please, sir?
Okay, like suppose after some calculations we have fixed the location of the pivot element and we are naming it LOC. Okay, and
Okay,
ये
sir.
किस position पे fix हुआ ये? If I will compare it with the array indexes, then it is at 4 index.
4.
Okay, now with the help of that, now after the location has been fixed, I have got how many different arrays? How many sub arrays?
2.
Two. One is ranging. One is between 0
0
to
to 3.
3. That is lower bound to location minus 1.
1.
And second one is location plus 1
Ma-
to
2
upper
upper
bound.
bound.
So a lower bound is always from where we have started. We have started from lower bound is equals to 0, and we have started from lower bound is equals to the upper bound is equals to 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So if we will trying to find the indexes of sub arrays, so क्या होगा? Lower bound is 0 and location minus 1 is 3. It is 0 actually,
Yes, sir.
and it is 3. You are getting it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 3 for the
Lower
first
bound is
sub array.
0 and location minus 1 is 3.
Upper bound.
And location plus 1 is 4 plus
5.
1 5 and upper bound is 5.
5.
यहाँ से ऊपर से लेंगे हम 5 क्योंकि क्या हमने पास किया था उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें लोअर बाउंड मिलेगा. सो नाउ लुक एट दैट. हम क्या करने वाले हैं इन आवर एल्गोरिथम नाउ? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल अ फंक्शन विद दैट पर्टिकुलर एरे and lower bound and upper bound. So lower bound, suppose the call is array A, okay, with an elements, lower bound with 0 and upper bound is 5. Okay, now this array will be divided into now two subparts, and this way we will now tell me what will be the indexes of this. Lower bound will be for first array will be
0,
0 to
0 to
3,
3,
and for next recursive call
5
A,
to 5.
comma 5 to
5 to
5.
5.
तो ये समझ में आ गया अब आप लोगों को?
Yes,
now
sir.
now again इसको हम वापस डिवाइड करेंगे. A will be something and again A will be something. A will like it will be accompanied with some other indexes. और यहाँ पर we need not to actually do anything because there is a single element and it is sorted. So here we are not doing anything. So in this way, like this tree will be generated. In merge sort आपने देखा था कि n को n by 2 में हम डिवाइड करते जा रहे थे. So every element is being divided. But in this case, it is not necessarily that every array will be divided into sub array. Like initially we have divided, but in that case again, if I got the single element array, there is no need to divide it. And proceed with only this particular array. So in this way, we have got the particular now indexes, and we are trying to hold these indexes using the stack actually. अब हम क्या करेंगे, वापस से पॉप करेंगे. So pop में क्या आएगा, 5 and 5 वाला array pop होगा. So the which array I am going to sort now? This single element array. So I am not going to do anything right now. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, then what we will do? We will pop another values. Which values will we pop now?
0 and 3.
0 and 3. Okay, now come on to that again. So 0 and 3 में क्या बचा हमारे पास? 4 2 3 1. So let it be there. अब यहाँ लिखते हैं इसको हम 4 2 3 and 1. One more thing I am going to solve it. Okay, one more time actually. So now in this case, lower bound is the value which we have popped from there, stack S1.
4.
जो भी हम यहाँ से पॉप करेंगे स्टैक में से वो लोअर बाउंड होगा. वो क्या है अभी? 0. लोअर बाउंड क्या है यहाँ पर?
0.
अपर बाउंड क्या है?
3.
लोकेशन माइनस
Three.
तो
1.
हमने स्टैक 2 से पॉप किया है, that is 3. So now I am going to solve this particular array, sort this particular array, you can say. Pivot element क्या होगा? Definitely the element at the lower bound 0.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can also see over there, whenever I will pick the pivot element, it will always be the element at the lower bound. Yes or no? In algorithm, I will use this particular step. So similarly here, the pivot element will be at the index number 0, which is 4 right now. So now I am going to start the same logic with once again. From where I will start scanning?
Right.
Right. First
Upper
element
one.
is 4. So 4.
Which one?
Sorry, first element is 1. So
Swapping,
1 and 4 will be compare, and will we swap it or not?
Swapping.
Swap
Yes,
it.
sir.
Swapping. So swapping होगी तो यहाँ 1 आएगा और यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? 4.
4.
Now what I need to do? I need to scan, right, left scan. scanning from left direction. So 1 will be swapped or not? No.
No.
2 no. 3 no. Now is it okay? 4
Yes.
is at
Okay,
its
sir.
position. 4 अब लोकेशन क्या मिली मेरे को बताइए? What is location right now?
3.
3.
3. Very good. So how many sub arrays we will got now?
1.
One sub array, and that sub array index is from 0 to
0 to
location
2.
minus 1. Lower bound to
Location
location
minus
minus
one.
1. Lower
0 to
bound to
3.
2. Like formula will remains again same in that case. Lower bound to location minus 1. यहाँ हमने लिखा था लेफ्ट सब एरे की जो डायमेंशंस होंगी वो होंगी लोअर बाउंड टू लोकेशन माइनस 1 एंड राइट सब एरेज will be from location plus 1 to upper bound always. Okay, so now in this case I have got only single array and that is ranging from 0 to 2. That's it. So now look at that. If I will subdivide it 0 to 3, so what I will got over there? 0 to
0
is
to
0
2.
to 2. And similarly, like can we got this particular array, this side array? No, we will not get any array right now. Okay, so what we will do now, 4 has been fixed because lower, अब ये हुआ क्यों actually? Now tell me, like अब आप कब इसमें अब stack में कितनी values push होंगी इस केस में बताइए? Which value we will push in stack S1? Lower bound of
0.
left sub array. Yes, tell us
Maybe
what
0.
0. Be
0
loud.
and 2.
0 and 2. Why are you like afraid to say something? ज्यादा ज्यादा क्या हो, गलत ही बोलोगे, बोलो फटाफट, है ना? 0 to 2 value we will push over there. Now second sub array तो यहाँ पर है ही नहीं. That's it. So now tell me the condition that we can put when we need to push the values into the stack or not. देखो कई बार हम दो वैल्यूज पुश कर रहे हैं, कई बार हम सिंगल वैल्यू पुश कर रहे हैं. सो हमें यहाँ पर कंडीशंस लगानी पड़ेगी. तो लेफ्ट सब एरे मिलेगा तो हम पुश करेंगे, राइट सब एरे मिलेगा तो हम पुश करेंगे. नाउ टेल मी व्हेन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग राइट सब एरे.
When sir upper bound become equals to location. When location become either equal to lower bound or upper
Or
bound.
I can say you are very like
Pivot
close.
element is the upper bound.
Yes, you are very much closer to that particular condition. So what we can write is when location plus 1 is greater than upper bound. Very good. You are saying the right logic. So can we write this particular condition for our like criteria? हम यहाँ पर if condition में ये चीज लगा सकते हैं, location plus 1 जब upper bound से बड़ा हो जाएगा तो हमें right sub array नहीं मिलेगा. Is it clear? Because I am going to push the location plus 1 actually. So I need to check this particular thing. Location plus 1 इस वक्त क्या हो गया बताइए? 4 है ना, और अपर बाउंड कितना है? 3. So can it be possible?
No sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
हम पुश कब तक करेंगे? हम पुश तभी करेंगे जबकि लोकेशन प्लस 1 छोटा या बराबर होगा अपर बाउंड के. बराबर कहाँ है? यहां देखिए, इस वाले केस में बराबर है. लोकेशन प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू अपर बाउंड है
बराबर है सर.
5 and 5 है ना. So we will push, like I will like write some condition in the in my algorithm. If location plus 1 is less than or equals to upper bound, then only I will push into the stack. मैं किस में पुश करूंगा? S2, S1 और S2 दोनों के अंदर. S1 पुश एंड S2 पुश. ये कौन सा एरे बन रहा है मेरे पास? राइट सब एरे. ये समझ में आ रहा है सब लोगों को? Similarly, tell me the condition of left sub array. When left sub array will be pushed only? Tell me. लेफ्ट सब एरे कब पुश होगा?
सर जब L प्लस वो लोकेशन प्लस 1 इज लेस देन.
When location minus 1.
Lower bound is less than location.
Aman, you say, Aman, you are like, I think you are rightly said, location minus 1.
Sir, when location minus 1 is greater than lower bound.
Greater than or equals to lower bound.
Lower bound.
तभी हम पुश कर पाएंगे. जैसे ही लोकेशन माइनस 1 छोटा हो जाएगा लोअर बाउंड से, तब हम पुश नहीं कर पाएंगे. लाइक सपोज फॉर सेम एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक इट नाउ. द वैल्यूज आर एक्चुअली व्हाट 1 2 3. अब जो मेरा नेक्स्ट होने वाला वो यही होने वाला है एक्चुअली. अब आप देखना, ये जो सब एरे बचा था वो क्या बचा था बताइए? 1 2 3 बचा था. इफ आई विल पॉप दीज टू एलिमेंट 0 and 2, देन व्हाट आई विल हैव 1 2 3, and in this case lower bound is 0. Yes or no? एंड अपर बाउंड इज 2 लोकेशन,
Yes.
सॉरी, है ना। अब इसको ये पाइवट एलिमेंट बन गया। अब पाइवट एलिमेंट को कंपेयर करिए आप, 3 बड़ा है 2 बड़ा है, तो इसकी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होगी। सो लोकेशन -1 क्या हो गया इसके से बताइए। लोकेशन तो मेरे पास 0 आ गई, लेकिन लोकेशन -1 कितना हो गया, लेस देन लोअर बाउंड। सो क्या
Yes,
इस
sir.
केस में हम कोई राइट लेफ्ट सब एरे मिलेगा हमें,
No, sir.
नहीं
No,
मिलेगा।
sir.
सो लेफ्ट सब एरे के लिए कंडीशन हम लगाएंगे, इफ लोकेशन -1 इज ग्रेटर देन और अपर इक्वल्स टू अपर बाउंड, देन ओनली S1 में पुश किया जाए और S2 में पुश किया जाए। ये कंडीशन हम यहां लगाएंगे। अब इज इट ओके? आई थिंक इट इज प्रीटी मच क्लियर राइट नाउ, यस और नो? Recursive calling I have also explained over there, how we are going to recursively call the different sub arrays with the help of this tree A05, A03, A55, A02 and now new array. There is a difference between these two. A55 it means single element, okay, but if A03 का right sub array बनेगा ही नहीं actually, आप यहाँ देखोगे तो, क्योंकि A02 यहां तक हो चुका है, 3 पर लोकेशन फिक्स कर चुके हैं और 4 पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम अपर लिमिट ही हमारे पास 3 थी, 4 इज नॉट पॉसिबल। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल नाउ?
सर सब एरे की अपर लिमिट सर, अपर बाउंड सर 3 था, यही कहना चाहते हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सब एरे का अपर बाउंड लोकेशन -3 है। नाउ इज देयर एनी डाउट? टेल मी फास्ट, और आई नीड टू राइट द एल्गोरिथम आल्सो फॉर दैट। कंडीशंस आर सेम। अब हम राइट स्कैनिंग कहाँ कर रहे हैं? राइट स्कैनिंग वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द राइट अपर बाउंड, एंड इन राइट स्कैनिंग वी आर डिक्रीमेंटिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ अपर बाउंड। अपर बाउंड माइनस माइनस हम करेंगे, और लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लोअर बाउंड एंड वी विल इंक्रीमेंट द वैल्यूज ऑफ लोअर बाउंड इन द केस ऑफ लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग। कब तक करेंगे? टिल वी हैव गॉट, in the case of right scanning, till we have got the element which is lesser than that particular pivot element, or we have reached at that particular element only. It means location और pivot element की location बराबर नहीं हुआ तो, जो हमने कल condition लगाई थी। Similarly, left scanning we will perform until we have got the element which is greater than that pivot element, or we have either reached onto the location only. Location means the index of pivot element. Is it clear? Say yes or no at least.
Yes, sir.
I am going to write the algorithm now with the help of you only. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to write the algorithm in 2 parts, right? Okay. So 2 part means first one is, say I am saying it is quick sort. With the array A and n elements. A means, sorry, A is the array and n means
Number of elements.
number of elements. We have started, and what we have done is we have stored, say, lower bound as 0 and upper bound as
पोजीशन +1,
N minus 1.
n minus 1.
हाँ।
Because total number of elements are n.
हाँ, L एलिमेंट्स।
Okay, now what we need to do? Tell me, what was the first step we have done? What we have
Set
pushed?
pivot element to the lower.
Sorry,
सर राइट
Pivot equals to A of 0.
that will be the part of another another function actually. Okay,
Sir,
before that, what
condition
we
to
have
be checked.
initiated.
Pushing
सबसे
the
पहले हमने
element.
कैन
नहीं, सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ क्या किया बताइए? पुशिंग इनटू द,
Stack 1.
हाँ, so what will push into the stack? Tell me now.
Sir, 0 in one
Sir,
stack
lower
and
Say
bound in stack
S1 dot
1.
push, S1 dot push, S1 dot push. What will push into the S1?
Lower bound.
lower bound,
Lower
A
bound.
of 0.
And
Lower.
S2
S2
dot
dot
push,
UB.
Upper bound.
upper
upper
bound.
bound,
Now you need to write these two functions, push of stack. Can you write it?
Yes, sir.
Push function we have done now already, so we can write it. I assume that you will write it automatically. So let it be one step only. We will push the lower bound and the upper bound initially we have got into the stack S1 and stack S2. Now what we will do? We will pop it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Pop S1 pop. Say I am going to store that particular into L. LB we have already taken, so lower limit, say LIMIT, lower limit is equals to S1 pop and upper limit is equals to S2 pop. Is it clear to all? And then I will call some another function which is say quick only, which will be recursively called with A and L limit comma U
And U limit.
limit, and it returns me. क्या रिटर्न करेगा मुझे ये बताइए, ये कुछ रिटर्न भी करेगा मुझे? इस पूरे फंक्शन में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Now come on to that particular thing is within this the whole function quick. What I am going to do is I am going to fix the position of the pivot element.
Yes, sir. We are
So
going to
this
know the
function will
index of
return me what? This function will return me the
index of pivot
LOC.
element.
LOC. LOC is location, which is nothing but the
Location.
index of pivot element.
Pivot
So is it
element.
okay? Yes or no? And on the basis of that location, what we will get? Tell me. उस location के basis पर हमको क्या मिला?
लोकेशन के बेसिस पे हम
If I have got the location, then
Two
what I will
sub-arrays,
get
sir.
into
Two
that?
sub-arrays. Two sub-arrays.
Two sub-arrays. Very good. And that two sub-arrays are
0 to
Lower
3
limit,
or
location
to lower bound,
one,
lower
and
location
good.
minus 1,
Okay. Now tell
location
me
plus one to upper
for
bound.
left sub-array. Left sub-array के लिए condition क्या थी?
lower
If
bound, location minus 1 is greater than lower bound.
then what we will do? We will push
Then we push
Yes,
S1
sir.
dot
in stack 1.
push what?
Lower bound.
Lower bound. Very
Lower
good.
bound,
And S2 push
Upper
upper
bound.
bound,
no. No.
position, location,
Location minus one.
Location minus one.
one. Very good. Good. Okay. So now again for right sub-array.
location plus 1 equals to
Greater than
less than location plus 1.
तो यहाँ क्या पूछेगा बताएं आप?
Upper
S1
bound
में
is
what you will
location
push?
plus
Location
Location
upper
plus
bound.
1
upper bound.
and upper bound. Upper bound यहाँ push करेंगे हम लोग. So is it clear? Yes or no? यदि clear
Yes,
तो
sir.
yes बोलो,
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
नहीं है तो no
Yes.
बोलिए.
clear.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So now tell me, this particular step is only for one time or it will be executing for the multiple times?
So it will be executed multiple times.
Multiple
So I
times.
definitely I need to put into the loop. While
अब loop
कब तक करेंगे बताइए?
जब तक
कब
कि
तक आप स्टैक में से वैल्यूज पॉप करेंगे? टेल मी.
equal नहीं
सर
होता
जब तक जो पाइवट एलिमेंट है वो अपनी प्लेस पे नहीं आ जाता.
नहीं, अभी पाइवट एलिमेंट की बात ही नहीं हो रही है. वी आर पुशिंग और पॉपिंग सिंपल. तो व्हेन टिल व्हेन यू विल पॉप?
सर जब तक स्टैक एम्प्टी ना हो जाता मीन्स
Very that's it. Very simple. While stack is not empty,
empty.
then I need to perform these two steps. That's it. So this is the first phase of our algorithm actually. Now I'm writing the algorithm in front of you. I think it is clear to all now. Is it something different or easy from the previous one or not?
yes
Sir, ये
it's
सही है,
easy
sir.
from the previous one.
Yeah, so I want to hear from everyone actually. I am not teaching only two persons.
Yes,
Rest
sir.
सब
It's easy
खाना खा
from the
रहे हैं क्या?
previous one.
सब लोग खाना थोड़ी खा रहे हैं. So like this is the first part of our algorithm. Now I am going to write this particular function that quick that we have called over there. So क्या अभी ये समझ में आ गया? पहला step समझ में आना चाहिए first of all. First part I think it should be clear to all. I am wasting my one lecture in this actually. I have already covered quick sorting, but I am trying to give you the method which will be easy for you. So that is why I have searched it and I am trying to use it this lecture. So please do not waste this lecture right in this way. Please cooperate. Okay. So begin lower bound and upper bound we have initiated. We have pushed. Firstly, we have to push. Initially, we need to push definitely. कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा हमारे पास array के अंदर तो वो हम push करेंगे सबसे पहले. So that's why it is not into the conditions. Okay. Now we will start popping, and while stack is not empty, we will pop the elements and we will store some the values into something that is lower limit and upper limit, and we are trying to call some function which gives me the location, of the pivot element. After getting the location of the pivot element in LOC, I will get two subarrays. I may get two subarrays. Let me correct myself. And on the basis of the conditions, I will push some new indexes in the form of lower bound and upper bound into the stack S1 and stack S2. So if both the conditions will true, so 2 push will be there into the stack S1 and S2. If one condition is only true, then only one will be pushed, one value will be pushed into the stack S1 or the S2. So on that basis, we have put the if conditions over there. Now I am going to write the logic for this function, that is lower limit, this function, quick or this. So I am going to copy it, and we are going to write the function now. So we have called this function, that is quick sort, quick A and limit, lower limit and upper limit. Now tell me what I will do in this. Location of that particular. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir. थोड़ा बीच में break हो गई थी, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am going to find the location of the pivot element. So first of all, tell me what is the pivot element right now?
Lower bound.
A of
Very good.
limit.
So
A of L limit.
Sorry?
LV.
तो लोकेशन इनिशियली जो लोकेशन है वो क्या है बताइए?
0.
0 नहीं है, लोअर लिमिट बोलेंगे
A of lower bound.
L limit sir. हाँ lower
L
limit.
limit. Very good. So whatever will be the value, like अपन ने 3 कॉल किए, in this case lower bound is 0. In this case by default the lower bound is also 0. Okay. Now suppose this particular thing we will take, this particular part, right part we have take. So in this case the location will be, location क्या होगी इस केस में pivot element की? If I am using this particular right sub array for my calculation, तो इस केस में location, what will be the location of pivot element?
upper
अपर बाउंड क्यों? वेरी बैड. अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो लुक एट दैट पार्ट 4 2 3 1 5 6 जो मैंने अपने हाथ से लिखा हुआ है नीचे 4 2 3 1 5 6. I have got two arrays 4 2 3 1 first left sub array. In this case location of pivot element is
Location.
0. Lower bound.
0, which is lower bound, which is nothing but lower bound. Now consider this right sub array in which only one element is there, 6. In this case location of pivot element will be
Location plus 1.
Location plus 1.
which is nothing but lower limit of the next sub array. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So ultimately location will always be lower limit. Initially location will always be lower limit. Have you got it now?
So, sir, in any new array, the first index will always be the location.
Very
the
good.
lower
That
limit
is
will
no.
always
I am writing over there location of pivot element. I think right now it will be okay. It will be always the location of pivot element. So it which will definitely be the first element. First element. ये तो हमने पढ़ा ही है, पाइवट एलिमेंट को भी हम फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के रूप में ही ले रहे हैं. इज इट ओके नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Location equals to limit.
Now location is equals to limit lower limit ही लिया ना, index value, it is index value actually.
0.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So and now what we need to do is
Scanning.
sorry,
Sir, scanning.
yes, very good, scanning. We will perform some scanning over there. Okay, I am writing something observed in the step number 2. इसका रीजन समझ में आएगा आपको बाद में, आप लोग मुझे बताओगे कि मैंने कुछ छोड़ा है, मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर कुछ एक्चुअली. नाउ स्कैनिंग. सो राइट स्कैनिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम राइट स्कैनिंग और लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग?
Right scanning.
Right.
Right scanning.
Right
So
scanning.
for that I have how many conditions? 2 conditions. And that conditions are, now tell me, आप ही बताएंगे मुझे कंडीशन, कल ही बताई हमने आपको कंडीशन. 2 conditions are there. First one is, कल क्या मैंने अभी बताई थी. अच्छा, okay, now tell me, in this right scanning we are starting from where? Upper limit or lower limit?
Upper limit.
And in which upper limit will be incremented or decremented?
Decremented.
Incremented.
Incremented.
I minus
डिक्रीमेंट.
J
तो
minus
यू लिमिट
minus.
डिक्रीमेंट होगा, ये तो समझ में आ गया सबको. इस लूप में कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, केवल डिक्रीमेंट सॉरी या इंक्रीमेंट होने वाला है. सो कंडीशंस विल बी, हम क्या कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? एलिमेंट्स कौन से कंपेयर हो रहे हैं? ए
Upper limit or
A upper
pivot
limit,
element.
very good. We are comparing the values at A upper limit and
A lower
Pivot
limit.
element.
A location.
A location. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pivot. Yes, sir.
लोकेशन हम हमेशा पाइवट एलिमेंट को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. सो ये कब तक चलना चाहिए लूप? लूप मतलब डिक्रीमेंट कब होना चाहिए?
Greater.
बड़ा
Greater than.
When the
वेरी गुड.
element
ग्रेटर
is
देन और इक्वल्स टू. इज इट ओके?
1 minute, sir.
एक और
Yes,
कंडीशन
sir.
लगाएंगे इसके अंदर हम लोग. वो कंडीशन क्या होगी बताइए? मान लीजिए कि सारे एलिमेंट छोटे हैं उससे, अब मतलब सॉरी बड़े हैं, सारे एलिमेंट, सब एलिमेंट बड़े हैं. मान लो 4 के बाद 5 6 7.
Upper bound is greater than lower bound.
अपर बाउंड घटता घटता कहां तक आ जाएगा?
Lower limit तक.
लोअर
Lower
लिमिट. तो ये कंडीशन ये कब तक चलना चाहिए? लोअर लिमिट कहां स्टोर है आपके पास? एलओसी तक आना चाहिए. लोअर लिमिट मत बोलिए अब आप, लोअर लिमिट तक मत बोलिए. विच विल नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू.
Upper
इज इट
limit.
ओके?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all now? These 2 conditions is clear or not? These are very important. ये
Second
clear.
condition is not clear.
For take an example, 4 5 6 7. Right now you just take an example. Okay, take an example. If it is not clear, you need to ask. 4 5 6 7. Okay, now in this case pivot element is 4. Okay, and we are comparing from right. 7 से start किया हमने. Upper limit is at 7, मतलब index value of 7, it is 3. Upper limit is 3. Okay, so can 4 and 7 will be swapped?
No, sir.
Upper limit will be decremented, it will be 2 now. Okay, is it equal? Is it upper limit is equals to location?
No.
So again it will be not swapped, it will be decremented by 1. Again it will not be swapped, it will be decremented by 1. So ultimately क्या हुआ? सारे एलिमेंट बड़े हैं, तो ये वाली कंडीशन तो कहीं आएगी ही नहीं. यस और नो?
Sir, upper limit will always be greater than location.
हाँ, सारे एलिमेंट बड़े हैं ना, तो स्वैपिंग तो कहीं होगी ही नहीं.
नहीं होगी.
नहीं होगी, तो उस केस में क्या होगा? ओनली अपर लिमिट विल बी डिक्रीमेंटेड, सिंपल. एंड
Yes, sir.
हम कब स्टॉप करेंगे उस केस में? हमें स्टॉप करने के लिए कोई पॉइंट तो चाहिए ना. जब हमारी
Yes,
अपर
sir.
लिमिट लोकेशन के इक्वल से नहीं आती, तब हम स्टॉप करेंगे.
जब इक्वल होगी तब स्टॉप करेंगे ना.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. तो आप कंडीशन क्या लगेगी इसमें? इक्वल होगी या नहीं होगी, ये बताओ आप मेरे को. अपर लिमिट डिक्रीमेंट कब होना चाहिए?
Equals to upper limit.
अब आपने बोला, बिल्कुल
जब
सही
तक
बोला.
इक्वल नहीं है तब तक डिक्रीमेंट करना है. जब इक्वल हो जाएगी तब डिक्रीमेंट नहीं करना.
हाँ जी, तो अब व्हाट कंडीशन यू विल पुट इनटू द व्हाइल? नॉट इक्वल्स टू और इक्वल्स टू?
इक्वल्स टू।
ओहो, इक्वल्स टू होते ही तो वो
नॉट इक्वल टू होगी ना।
इक्वल्स टू होती तो वो कभी होगी ही ना, स्टार्टिंग में ही इक्वल्स टू नहीं है तो अंदर आएगा ही नहीं कभी वो।
डिक्रीमेंट करना है।
हाँ, तो यू नीड टू पुट द कंडीशंस इन सच अ वे कि अपर लिमिट शुड बी डिक्रीमेंटेड, क्योंकि वो लूप के अंदर तो आए एक बार वो। if you will write over there location is, if you will write over there location is equals to this, then what? So ये तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में ही नहीं है, so कभी भी अपर लिमिट डिक्रीमेंट नहीं होगी, क्योंकि एंड लगाया है हमने। तो हमें दोनों कंडीशंस में से कोई भी कंडीशंस फॉल्स होते हैं हमें बाहर आना पड़ेगा। तो अभी समझ में आ गया? यस और नो?
यस सर, अब समझ आ गया।
अब आ
अच्छा,
गया सर।
नाउ इज इट ओके?
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
अभी ये सब हटाना पड़ेगा मुझे। So this is for right scanning. Now similarly for left scanning, what you will do? Tell me what you will do now.
While loop.
While loop. Here we will decrement or left scanning में what we will do? Limit, lower limit will be increment or decrement?
Increment.
And the
Increment.
element will compare will be a lower limit,
It's
it
less
will
than
be
Less than equals to
or equals to location, and location will not equals to lower limit.
lower limit.
It could be written actually likewise. आप इसको ज्यादा समझ में आ सकता है शायद ऐसे लिखें तो आप u limit is not equals to location, ये लिख दें तो शायद समझ में आ जाए, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन ना हो रहा हो, इसलिए आई नीड टू चेंज इट, इट विल बी बेटर। इज इट ओके नाउ? ये हमारा फर्स्ट फोर्थ जो स्टेप है, दिस इज फॉर राइट स्कैनिंग, एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज फॉर लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग। इज इट ओके?
Yes,
ये
sir.
समझ में आ गया क्या?
Yes, sir.
गुड। सो अब हम वापस से आते हैं, ये स्टेप कंप्लीट करना है हमें। वंस आई हैव आउट ऑफ दिस लूप, once I have out of this loop, say, okay, now tell me, either I will come out of because of this condition or I will come out of because of this condition. Okay, so now I need to handle these conditions. Okay, so now what I am going to do, if a upper limit is less than a location, so what you will do?
And sir, we need to swap.
Very good, very good. So in that case, swap function, which element will be swapped? A LOC and A of
U limit.
upper limit. So swap function you need to write in that case. Can you write that function?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
just
Yes, sir.
like writing the same thing over there. Now second thing could be, second condition by which I can come out of that loop could be location is not equals to upper limit. So what I will do in this case, tell me, if location is becoming upper limit, so what I will do,
Nothing, sir.
sorry, what I will do in this case, suppose अब सारे एलिमेंट बड़े थे तो हम क्या करेंगे बताइए? लेट मी टेक द एग्जांपल। ओके, एग्जांपल लिया हमने यहाँ पर, ये वाला एग्जांपल है मेरे पास। 1 2 3 4 values are 1 2 3 4, 4 is at its position now, all the elements are lesser than that, so what I will do now?
We will return
Very good, we will return what I will return?
index LOC.
LOC, that's it. In this case I will return LOC. Any doubt to anyone else?
No, sir.
Is it visible to you all?
सर लोकेशन को क्या
Yes, sir.
रिटर्न करवा रहे हैं?
बच्चे हमने यहाँ क्या किया था देखो, लाइक सपोज यहाँ इज इन दिस केस 5 is LOC, so we have start scanning, right scanning, left scanning, right scanning, left scanning, and at one time what happens कि 5 से सारे एलिमेंट छोटे लेफ्ट में आ गए, तो हमने स्कैनिंग स्टार्ट करी और अल्टीमेटली सारे एलिमेंट छोटे हैं. सो लोकेशन जो है या लोअर बाउंड है वो कहां पर आ गया, लोकेशन पे आ गया.
यस.
तो लोकेशन इज इक्वल टू अपर लिमिट हो गया या लोअर लिमिट हो गया, एक ही बात है ना. यस और नो. सो इस केस में व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल रिटर्न द लोकेशन जो यहां स्टोर होगी, यहां इस जो फंक्शन आपने कॉल किया था. ऑब्वियसली डेफिनेटली वी नीड टू रिटर्न समथिंग इन दिस फंक्शन क्विक. क्विक फंक्शन में हमें कुछ रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्टोर दैट लोकेशन इनटू दिस. So whatever I am returning from there, it will be stored into this location, and on the basis of that location, I will divide the array into two sub-arrays with the help of these 5 and 6 step in quick sort function. Yes or no?
आ गया. आ गया.
Now is it okay?
यस सर.
Everyone, from everyone I need to hear what is the like see now. Is it okay or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir, it's
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Good. So now we will write the left scanning in similar way. This is these three steps for right scanning. Now we will do the left scanning with same. Now copy and paste. So now in this I need to change a little bit. That is OA upper limit is becoming lesser than in that case. Equals to sign हटा देंगे यहाँ से हम. Sorry, यहाँ पर भी equals to sign हटा देंगे. Now in that I need to swap A upper limit and lower limit. And if location is becoming lower limit, then I need to return location. Very much similar. So ये दोनों जो चीजें हैं वो बहुत सिमिलर है, बस थोड़ी सी कंडीशंस में चेंज करना है आपको. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this till now? I think swap वाला फंक्शन आप लिख सकते हैं अपने आप. I am not going to write the swap. Now tell me what else we need to do. Yes. What you are asking?
No, sir, no.
Now what we need to do? What else we have left with? क्या रह गया हमारे साथ अब, क्या नहीं किया अब तक हमने? Observe it. From starting, initially we have pushed the lower one and upper one in the stack 1 and 2. Then we have popped something from the stack 1 and stack 2. That will give me the index values of the array that I need to sort. Okay, and then I am calling the location quick function with the help of that limits, and I am going to perform right scanning and left scanning, and on the basis of that I will get the location of the pivot element. So I am coming into this now quick. So on the basis of that, lower limit, location is lower limit, and while this is for right scanning, this is for left scanning, and with the help of that you can see that this will only be performed only once. आपने जब यहाँ कॉल किया तब सबसे पहले क्या हुआ, राइट स्कैनिंग हुई. ओके, एंड देन लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग हुई. क्या राइट स्कैनिंग वापस हुई? यहाँ पर कोई लूप लगा हुआ है इसमें?
नहीं. तो
दूसरी बार राइट स्कैनिंग कैसे होगी? लाइक हमारा खुद का एग्जांपल यदि हम देखें, सो हियर वी हैव फर्स्ट परफॉर्म राइट स्कैनिंग फ्रॉम 4 and 5 will be at that last position. Then left scanning we have done, तो 5 आया था हमारे पास ये सेकंड इंडेक्स पे. Then right scanning again we need to do. Then हमारे पास आया था यहाँ पर 5 फोर्थ पोजीशन पे. Then left scanning करी थी हमने. So ये मल्टीपल लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग राइट स्कैनिंग हो रही है यहाँ पर? यहाँ केवल एक बार हो रही है केवल. So क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? ये कंडीशन मैंने यहाँ तभी लगाई हुई है.
Sir, one more while loop.
One more while loop, तो वो कैसे लगेगा बताइए?
कंडीशन क्या आएगी while loop में?
यहाँ कंडीशन थोड़ा सा ऑड है, कंडीशन लगाना थोड़ा सा ऑड है. यहाँ पर कंडीशन है भी नहीं कुछ हमारे पास. बताइए कब तक लगाएंगे हम लोग? देखो रिटर्न तो हो रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली. रिटर्न का मतलब क्या होता है? इस लूप से बाहर आना. ठीक है, मान लो ये कंडीशन इन ट्रू नहीं हो रही है तो रिटर्न बाहर कब आएगा? लूप से बाहर ही नहीं आएगा. सो हमें वापस ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. राइट स्कैनिंग हो गई, ये कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं हुई, लो अपर लिमिट डिक्रीमेंट हो गया. लेफ्ट स्कैनिंग हुई, लोअर लिमिट बढ़ गई. फिर वापस से ऊपर आना पड़ेगा क्योंकि लोअर लिमिट बढ़ गई, रिटर्न नहीं हुआ है. तो ऊपर आने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक कंसेप्ट होता है गो टू.
Yes, sir.
गो टू पढ़ा है आपने? गो
Yes,
टू
sir.
एबीसी.
जैसा पढ़ा है गो टू पढ़ा है.
गो टू किस लिए काम आता है? लेबलिंग. ये लेबलिंग होती है एक्चुअली. This labeling can be used in this actually. So if suppose lower limit increments, okay, so increment हो गई, कोई कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं हुई तो लास्ट में कहाँ आएगा वो? 10th स्टेप इज गो टू एबीसी.
दोबारा से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
वापस स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, राइट स्कैनिंग से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. That is what I need to do. Now this is the complete algorithm. I am going to save it. So I think it is pretty much easier than the previous one, or I think it is pretty, more clear now to you all.
सर ये ज्यादा सही है सर, उसमें कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था।
So now if you want to ask anything, you can ask.
Sir, then which one is better to use, merge sort or quick sort?
Both are having the same complexity. Both are both have the time complexity of n log n.
वर्स्ट कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या है सर इसकी, टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी?
हाँ, worst
ये
time
के अंदर-
complexity of the quicksort is n square.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये दोबारा नेक्स्ट लूप में जा रहा है।
So if we compare that thing, so
सर मर्ज सॉर्ट मेरे हिसाब
merge
से
sort
सही
is
है।
better than that quicksort.
हाँ, क्योंकि उसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सर n log n है।
Sir, I guess quick sort can be better, means merge sort also divides it into two parts and uses extra space.
In this, we are also using, say, stacks, which in terms of spaces, we need to maintain
sir-
the indexes.
Yes, sir, but in that case, it is always divides into two parts. I mean, there will be the two arrays, but in quicksort there can be one also. So there is more chance of better in quicksort.
Actually, na, betterness in terms of complexity, if you will say, so both are same. Otherwise, there are many other parameters also to decide the betterness of the algorithm. Like situations are also there, like array कितना बड़ा है, कितना छोटा है, यदि array already sorted है या नहीं है, so like कितने percentage sort है, कितने percentage sort नहीं है, pivot element क्या लिया गया है इस केस के अंदर, it all matters a lot. Like yesterday I discussed कि pivot element not necessarily always be the first element, it could be any element, and if you will choose the pivot element intelligently, then it may take the lesser time than any of the algorithm also. Because suppose we reduce the total number of swapping, then definitely it reduces the complexity. So one more version of quicksort is there actually, that is called randomized quicksort. That I was not disclosed yesterday. That is the another kind of algorithm that what we are learning right now, it is of deterministic form. Deterministic क्या होता है बताइए? What do you mean by deterministic? Determine करना. Deterministic क्या होता है? हिंदी मीनिंग क्या होता है deterministic का?
पहचानना या अवलोकन करना।
Determine करना क्या होता है? Determine करना.
निकालना सर।
Direct.
Sorry?
फाइंड कर।
No.
It's like direct.
Sorry?
हल करना सर, डिटरमाइन, या फिर किसी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन निकालना।
That could be one, but in this reference, I want to ask, what do you mean by deterministic?
So more concentrated.
Deterministic, yes. Deterministic algorithm means कि we have fixed the concept. Like in this case, we have fixed the concept that the pivot element will always be the first element. That is deterministic form of the algorithm. Algorithms may be of different kinds also. So one algorithm is randomized algorithm, in which what we can do is we can take any element as a pivot element randomly. So we will first of all call a random function to take the pivot element. I think all of you have heard about the random function in C. So random function we will call, and on the basis of that, randomly one element of the array can be chosen and it will be a pivot element. So whether it will be the first element, it will be the last element, or it may be any element in between the array. So that is what the randomized algorithm is. So अब समझ में आया what is randomized and deterministic form. So deterministic, it means कि we have fixed something. Now the algorithm which I have just written, this is for the element pivot when the pivot element is at its first location. Because यहाँ आपने ये किया है देखो, location equals to lower limit. We have fixed it. Every time the pivot element will be the first element. But in the case of randomized, we will not do this. तो अभी randomized की जरूरत नहीं है आपको पढ़ने की, आपको बस concept पता होना चाहिए. That's why I have just discussed with you. Randomized algorithm you will learn in the analysis of algorithm subject in next year. Okay. So randomized form of that quicksort we will learn. So that is why I have asked the, like in as Aman has asked me ki which one is better. So there is not only the single parameter on which we can decide that which one is better or which one is worst. So there are multiple ways to compare the sorting algorithms. So right now, anybody wants to ask anything else? So I think Quicksort is clear now. So in coming lab, we will make a program of this. Okay. And from next lecture, we are going to start the next unit, that is tree. So that is all from my side for today. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Till then, I am going to take the attendance. I think in attendance is low today. So I actually want to know the reason of this. In previous classes, also the strength is same, or like in first and second class, we will talk about.
सर ऐसी ही रही है सर, सेम ही रही है. मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ सर मैं बता रहा हूँ 42 के आसपास ही गई है.